Affirmation means एक मैसेज को पॉजिटिवली बार बार आप बोलो ताकि वही आपकी रियलिटी बन जाए. कितना बोलेंगे यार, होता नहीं है कुछ. So what we are going to do, what I'm going to help you do is, we will use 9 major acupressure points which are phenomenal. I've done them for the last many years. I've taught many people. It does wonders. So just doing affirmation doesn't work. We're going to use 9 acupressure points. I'm going to tell you each of those points. I will tell you the importance of each of the points. ताकि अगर आपको सारे नहीं करने, at least जो तब आपको लागू हो रहा है वो तो करो. So I'm going to do, I will want you guys to do with me. मर्जी आप लोगों की है. What we will do is, we will create an affirmation line, any line. Then later on we'll do details. We will do 9 points and we'll see how it has to be done. For example, let us say, मेरे को जस्मी से बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. जब देखो जस्मी को मैं देखता हूं तो मुझे ना बस हिल जाता हूं. Now I want to become free of that. There's some program inside me which is troubling. I want to change this program. So what I'm going to do is, I'll prepare a line, a positive line. It cannot be, I do not. It has to be a positive line. And let's say I say, I am free of Jasjeet. So this is going to be the line I'm going to use. The first point I'm going to tap on is PC6. ये हमारा wrist है. Wrist से अगर आप 3 fingers नीचे आओगे, you come 3 fingers down. This point is PC6. It is a point in acupressure which is directly connected to the brain. Brilliant point. कभी डिप्रेशन हो रहा है, कभी नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, just keep sitting and tapping. No need to even affirm, just tap. Okay, tapping में if you do this, आवाज ज्यादा होगा, फायदा कुछ नहीं होगा. Use the fingers, any day better. ये नहीं, ऐसे देखो, ऐसे करो हाँ. So 3 fingers from the wrist, PC6. A brilliant point for depression, feeling low, mind control. Brilliant. Point 1. Are you okay with this?
Yes.
हाँ जी बोलो ना.
स्टार्टिंग लाइन जो है ये रिस्ट के लास्ट
Wrist.
में जो लाइन है,
ये देखो ना, ये मेरा रिस्ट है. ये मैंने किया, इधर आ गया. See when you're using 2-3 fingers, थोड़ा ऊपर थोड़ा नीचे का ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So just be approximately in this area.
Tapping is anyway good.
Yes.
Tapping is anyway good.
Tapping is anyway good, but be close to the point at least.
Yes.
Only then it is going to be impacting. It'll run the chi on the PC. Right? So ये हो गया point 1. Are you okay with this?
Yes.
Easy point.
ये सिर्फ लेफ्ट हैंड में ही है कि दोनों में?
दोनों जिस मर्जी से करो सर. The body is symmetric on both sides. As far as acupressure and puncture is concerned, it's symmetric. There are meridians in the body. These meridians are channels of energy. When you tap on these points, the complete channel gets energized. So PC6, master point. PC is pericardial. Pericardial is that outer casing around the heart. हम तो खाली उसको outer casing मानते हैं. As per acupressure, chi का पूरा storage वहां पे होता है. So when you are tapping here, your complete body chi, your mind, your thought process, everything is affected. ठीक हो गया? So point 1. Second point, right in the middle of the chest. Now this point is called CV17. Brilliant point for heart problems. Brilliant point for emotion control. बल्कि मैंने तो ये भी देखा है, a guy having heart problem has only done this, करता रहते थे पूरा दिन, and he's improved his health. Because what happens when you're tapping here, you're not only in the physical vicinity of the heart, but also the heart meridian gets immediately charged up. CV17 point. Perfect. Second point. So जब emotions have caught you, when you are in the round of emotions, you don't want to do all 9 points, only go here. Left hand में दर्द हो रहा है, बॉस हार्ट अटैक तो नहीं है. जब तक कोई फोन करे, start tapping. What is there to lose? At least you are going to be activating the heart energies. ठीक हो गया? Second point.
Attention also gets diverted.
Exactly. है ना? Okay. Third point. ये जो कॉलर है, जो कॉलर बोन है, ये वाली, this collar bone, this is KD27, kidney. Kidney is the source of fear. Old fears. तो जब आपको fear ने पकड़ा ना, पता नहीं यार बच्चा अभी तक आया नहीं, I'm feeling really worried and all that, and you're really not being able to control, start off here. So you can go one side, you can go both sides, you can go like this, your choice. So this is point 3. KD27. Okay. Third point. Fourth point, very easy, the lower part of the chin. This is the last point of CV, this CV24. CV is conception vessel, very important vessel passing through your body. So this is a good point to do. And then comes GV26. I would call this the master point, नाक और lips के बीच में. मेरे जहाज पे, we were in Egypt, a guy came on board and because of something he fainted. मैंने उसको यहाँ पे 6, 8, 10 बार टैप किया and he sat up. इतना पावरफुल पॉइंट है. जीवी, अच्छा यहाँ आना था मुझे. Now the full day I was in Chitkara, I had 4 classes, we had 1 meeting, we have a National Maritime Day coming up, उसकी तैयारी हो रही थी. Then I drove here and I was feeling exhausted. तो सी मेरी वेट कर रही थी बाहर, I was sitting in my car. And I was really exhausted. And I told Jasjeet मेरे को बहुत थकान हो रही है, मुझे 2 मिनट दे. मैंने खाली उस चेयर पे बैठ के 2 मिनट के लिए ये टैपिंग की है. Only. And you can see the energy. So whenever you're feeling low on energy, whenever somebody faints, there is a loss of consciousness, there is any such problem, this GV26 master point. Right? Also a master point for depression. तो जब नहीं समझ आ रहा, कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा, go for this. Just go for this and keep tapping. कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. Just go ahead. Done? So we've done what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 points हो गए. 6th point, eyes के नीचे. This is ST1. ST1 point is the stomach meridian. Any problem with the stomach? Best point to tap. Right? Remember, in acupressure, acupuncture, every organ has an emotion attached to it. Anxiety is what is attached to the stomach. इसलिए एंजाइटी जब होती है, सबसे पहले हमारा पेट खराब होता है. राइट? तो जब एंजाइटी ने पकड़ रखा है आपको, कान खींचो, प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में आओ. यार उसकी वजह से ही दुखी हो रहा हूं, मुझे वो प्रमोशन नहीं मिली ना, मसाला वही गड़बड़ है. स्टार्ट ऑफ. मैंने जाके यहां पे लेक्चर देना, रोटरी क्लब के मेंबर्स है सारे, बैंड बजाएंगे बच्चों तेरी, और यहां आते ये डॉक्टर साहब, वो डॉक्टर साहब, बस खत्म. कोई बात नहीं. I am free about everyone. Completely free about anybody thinks about me. But yeah, of course, I don't use this slide. I use something. You know what I use? I am here to give. What can I lose? I am only here to give. And even if one of you can carry this back and use it, मेरा काम हो गया. फिर कौन सी टेंशन, कौन सा स्ट्रेस? जब मुझे कुछ चाहिए होता तो मेरा स्ट्रेस. जब देना ही है तो कौन सा स्ट्रेस? You see, so this point is very good for anxiety. Right. Next come to this point. ये जो eyes का जहां पे eyebrow खत्म हो रहा है, this is GB1. GB is gallbladder, anger point. Yes. जो temples होते हैं हमारे effectively, है ना? जब गुस्सा पकड़ ले, और पता है कि वो गुस्सा ही लफड़ा कर रहा है, then this is the point to be. You can be on one side, you can be on 2 sides, and you can do an affirmation along with it. We'll do the affirmations later. पहले points पकड़ेंगे हम. ये भी हो गया. This is the 7th point. 8th point है जहां पे ये eyebrow अंदर को आ रहा है. This is UB1 and 2. Not the third eye. Third eye के ऊपर हम लोग टैप नहीं करते normally. ये इधर है साइड पे. Now UB is urinary bladder. This is also fear. देखो difference समझो. जो किडनी का fear था ना, किडनी का fear है long term fear. मुझे बड़े दिनों से डर है, ये जो मेरे पाँव सूज रहे हैं ना, ये कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है. लॉन्ग टर्म यूज दिस. शॉर्ट टर्म, ये अभी तक आई क्यों नहीं जिसमें घर चक्कर क्या हो गया. नाउ दिस इज इमीडिएट यांग. उसके लिए दिस इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट. अगेन अ फियर पॉइंट. राइट? एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट इज दोनों ईयर्स से अगर मैं जोड़ के सेंटर ऑफ द हेड चला जाऊं, दिस इज फाइनली अ पॉइंट विच इज फॉर द हेड, माइंड, थॉट्स, पास्ट, फ्यूचर एंड ऑल दैट. सो 9 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9.